In this video, we are going to set up our website with our theme and our plugins. So first of all, let's go to Appearance and click on Themes. And now click on Add New button. And I'm going to again type Astra. And we are always use Astra theme. So this is very easy and nice theme to be used with the Elementor plugin. Now you can see our theme is now installed. Simply click on this Activate button. Now go to plugins, and this is the list of some default plugins comes with the auto installation of WordPress while using the hosting. And I'm going to select this plugin. I'm going to select this one and also this one, and simply click on bulk action and then click on deactivate. And now first of all we are going to deactivate these plugins and then click on apply. And now I'm going to select all these plugins and then click on delete and then click on apply. Simply click on OK. And now in the plugins, let's add an Elementor. Search for Elementor right here. We are going to use this plugin, Elementor Website Builder. Install now. Again, we are going to use this essential add-ons for Elementor. And now scroll down and we are going to use this plugin Power Pack for Elementor, which we have used in our previous lecture. Simply click on this Install Now button. And now you can see our plugins are now installing. Let's wait until they are installed. Now you can see this plugin and our add-ons are now installed. So we need to activate these plugins. So simply go back to your plugins. And now simply select all these plugins and then go to bulk action and click on activate. Now click on apply, and this will activate the plugins once. And now it is some default steps you need to complete. We are going with advanced option, then click on next button. I'm going to remove product grid because we does not use WooCommerce for now, and simply click on next. Simply click on next. We are going to skip this. Now again click on next, and now simply click on uncheck this one, share non-sensitive, and simply uncheck this one and click on finish. And we have done with our essential add-on setups. And now let me go to plugins, and you can see we are ready with our all plugins. And in the next video we are going to set up our website. See you in the next video.